My name is Alan Goldstein, interpretive naturalist at the Falls of Ohio State Park. Today, I would like to introduce our Boulder Row for our virtual tour. These boulders are of the same rock formation that makes up the fossil beds, but they came from a construction site in Louisville, and we had them brought over in 1995. Each boulder has unique fossils from corals and sponges and many other things of interest. So let's take a look at some of the boulders and see what we can see. This boulder has one large fossil honeycomb coral. From a distance, it looks like petrified wood with a grained texture, but it's actually the side view of corals, and there's also in places the top of the coral visible with the honeycomb pattern. So here's a colony that would have been at least 3 feet across, and only a portion of it's preserved. This boulder is one of many that are full of horned corals. A horned coral gets its name because the fossil skeleton is actually shaped something like a horn. Here's an example right here, a side view. Here's another side view, another side view. Here's an end view, another end view, and this one's got crystals in it. Another end view. So as you can see, we have lots of horned corals, a common fossil in the coral zone. This boulder is the only one in Boulder Row that contains a type of coral that we commonly call the wasp nest coral. It's like the honeycomb coral, but the chambers are larger. This boulder actually has 2 specimens, the side view on the side of the rock and the top view toward the bottom of the rock. Boulder Row is one of our more fascinating places, especially when the river's high. So next time you come to the Falls of Ohio, step along by the picnic area and come and look at each of these boulders and see the unique fossils that are oozing out of each one of them.